Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Nifty 50 stocks historical data. First, we will explore why historical data is crucial for making informed investment decisions and understanding market trends. Then, we will identify the most reliable platforms where you can find this information. Following that, I will guide you through the precise steps to download or access the data you need. Finally, we will discuss how to prepare and make the most of your newly acquired historical stock data. Finding a trustworthy source is your first critical step. Official stock exchange websites are excellent starting points, offering direct and verified information. Additionally, several well-known financial data providers specialize in compiling vast historical datasets, often with advanced features. Don't overlook your brokerage platform, as many offer integrated tools for accessing historical stock prices. Lastly, some financial news outlets also provide valuable historical data for research purposes. Once you've selected your source, the process is straightforward. First, locate the historical data section, usually found under products or market data. Next, search for the Nifty 50 index or the individual constituent stocks you are interested in. Then, specify the date range you need. You might want data spanning several years, perhaps 5 or even 10 years. Finally, select your preferred download format, with CSV or Excel being common choices, and initiate the download. With your data downloaded, the next step is to put it to work. Begin by importing the file into a spreadsheet program like Excel or a specialized analytical tool. It's crucial to then clean and organize your data, ensuring accuracy and consistency. You can then perform various analyses, such as identifying price trends, volume changes, or volatility. This historical information is invaluable for backtesting trading strategies and making more confident, data-driven investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.